this is the history. The institute was developed in 1937 at the testing laboratory of civil engineering department, Hokkaido Prefecture government. And now, 2006, the name was changed to the CERI, and now we are incorporated with Public Works Research Institute in Japan. So we have the four major research divisions. One is the cold region construction, and we have the RTK GPS system, which is a very accurate GPS system. And we also have the radio control board, as you can show here. See here, and we have lots of other instruments for the field observation. So here is one of our current research topic. This is environmental scale experimental flow in Chiyoda over here in Hokkaido. So that's all the channel, and the development build a new channel here. And the experimental channel was set along this new channel. And we use the example to show what happened in this experimental flow. We built the levee along the river channel, and we set the weak point around here, and we see what happened when during the levee bridge. So we have the nice video about that. So you can see that we set the weak point here, and we set all of the instruments around here to see the velocity, pressure, water level, or something like that. And yeah, we also do the picture and videos of doing the experiment, and it is still under the assessment what happened during this reach point. And also this is the calculation by our collaborator, Professor Shimizu. So we did the field experiment, and also we have we calculate this kind of motion to see what happened during the levee bridge like this. Okay, and we are in a very cold place, so we have lots of bridge here, and they actually destroy the bridge like this. We lost so many bridges during this flood, so now we are trying to figure out what happened during about the Udi debris in the river channel. So we did field observation and field monitoring also, but unfortunately we didn't have so much flood during this recent years, so we did a film experiment like that. And now currently we are trying to make a model, numerical model, to calculate the flow of the trajectory of Udi debris like this. The flow is calculated by the IRIC software, and we superimpose the model of the Udi debris on the result of the flow, and we can calculate the inertia and the rotational motion of the Udi debris like this. Also, we have a density current control. Also, now we have the multi-beam survey data from the Hokkaido development. We do not have a multi-beam system, but the Hokkaido development has, and they have a lot of results about multi-beam survey. And this is one of the examples to show the bed forms in Kushiro River in Hokkaido. And now we have to figure out how to utilize this kind of very precise bed form data. And we are trying to calculate the local roughness by using this kind of data. And we know that this kind of local roughness can improve the accuracy of the calculation result comparing to the uniform roughness. And we already have a two-dimensional model and also three-dimensional model like that. So the next goal is to combine such kind of local roughness data for the calculation of the three-dimensional flow and the sediment like this. Okay, we have several collaboration schemes, so you are interested in, please contact us or visit the website. And do we have time to move? And I'd like to present about the IRIC software. This is a part of, this is also the very important part of our current job. And this is a joint project between international research institute like USGS, Hokkaido University, and now we have lots more collaborators about this software. And the IRIC software is a combination of the pre and post-processing interface and many solvers. So I'd like to present the application of IRIC software, which are mostly calculated by Professor Shimizu and Professor Kawamura there and their students. So we visited the Koshi River 3 days ago, and we tried to calculate the flow around the Koshi River. This is the Levy Bridge point maybe, and here the barrage. So this is the this shows the interface of the IRIC software. So we first of all we import the background image to the system, and then we superimpose the DEM data by SMTR like this. Then we can set the application grid like that. And finally, we got the result of flow. We set the 5,000 cubic meter per second discharge at the top of this grid. So we actually started to calculate this flow just tomorrow, midnight tomorrow. No, yesterday. We just started this calculation yesterday night, actually. So well, the result is very fast estimation of flow. But if you are familiar with handling the DEM data and IRIC software, you can calculate fast estimation like a couple of days, like this result. And also, this is the IRIC application. This picture shows the Ogun River in Russia. And Professor Shimizu tried to calculate this kind of meandering motion like this. So you can see that the calculation result here, the meandering started from the absolute part. Initially one of the meandering was set here. And then started to migrate downstream slightly, and the amplitude of the wave is getting larger and larger. And you can see that here, maybe, I guess. Yeah, sometimes the meandering rivers in a natural situation shortcut by themselves. So the application of the IRIC software can calculate kind of this one. But well, we need very special solver to calculate it, but basically this is the same solver to IRIC. And we here the bank erosion site of Atoke River, and we also calculate this kind of bank erosions. Yeah, this one. The interface is not IRIC, which is provided by, I forgot the name of the software.
Paraview.
Yeah, Paraview, yeah, right. But the calculation was completely done by the IRIC, the solver of IRIC software. Okay. Oops. IRIC, now the version to IRIC provide the nice 2D flood, which means the flood calculation solver. And this is one of the examples of the calculation of tsunami. This kind of solver can also treat the tsunami in a flow. And here at the Rikuzen Takata City, and so many people were killed, like the 2,000 people in this tsunami event. So the IRIC also can calculate this kind of motion. Well, yeah, I have to show you. Yeah. Detectable.
スタどうしたのどうなるうちのやつ I see. The resolution of the monitor.
So that's all my presentation. So if you are interested in this kind of research, please comment.